Customer Statements Report. A customer statement is a document that summarizes a customer's transactions and payments with a company over a specified period of time. It is often used for accounting and financial record-keeping purposes and serves as a statement of account for the customer. Customer statements reports similar to customer statements run. However, you should not use customer statement report for distribute statements to customers. You can access this report from Customers, Reports, Customer Statement. From Customer, you can select particular customer or range of customers. If you don't select any customers, system will display all customers. You can select active customers, inactive customers, or both customers. From customer category, you can select a particular customer category, range of customer categories. If you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer categories. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom dates, you can select date range. If you select all, system will display all date range customer statement. If you want to display brought forward balance, you can check this option. If you want to exclude fully allocated invoices from the statement, you can check this option. If you want to view line items, you can check this show details option. If you want to print transactions in customer's currency, you can check use foreign currency option. If you want to exclude zero balance customers from the customer statements, you can check zero option. If you want to exclude negative balance customers from the statement, you can check negative checkbox. If you want to exclude customers from a particular balance, you can check less than checkbox and you can enter the amount. After that, hit View Report button. First, we will generate the report without checking Show Balance Brought Forward checkbox. For this customer, you can see there's no balance brought forward. We will check Show Balance Brought Forward checkbox and view report. In this report, you can view balance brought forward amount. We will generate customer statement, unchecking exclude fully allocated invoices. We report. Here you can see transactions. Again, we will generate customer statement report, checking, exclude fully allocated invoices. View report. In this report, you can see only 4 invoices. In first report, there are several transactions. However, if you check exclude fully allocated invoices checkbox, system will display only outstanding transactions. We will generate customer statement report by checking show detail checkbox. View report. If you check show detail checkbox, you can see system will display transactions line items. Here you can see there are 2 invoices in number 16. Each line item will display in the report. If you uncheck show detail checkbox, system will display summary invoice line. System will not display line items. We will generate customer statement reports by checking use foreign currency checkbox. View report. In this report, you can view this customer transactions display in USD. Next customer transactions display in LKR. We will generate customer statement report by unchecking use foreign currency checkbox. View report. In this report, system will display all customers' transactions in LKR. So if you check use foreign currency checkbox, system will display transactions in customers' currency. In our company list of customers, we have 5 customers. From that, 1 customer is a zero balance customer. In our customer statement reports, we will check zero checkbox. Then system will exclude customer where balances are 0. View report. Now you can see system will display only 4 customer statements. Zero balance customer will not display. We will generate the report unchecking zero checkbox. View report. In this report, you can see 5 customers. In previous report, we have only 4 customers. In this report, you can see 5 customer statements. You can view zero balance customers. In our company list of customers, we have 5 customers. One customer is a negative balance customer. In our customer statement report, we have option exclude negative balance customer from the report. We will check this negative checkbox, then system will exclude customers where negative balances. We report. In this report, you can view only 4 customers. Negative balance customers will not display in this report. We will uncheck negative checkbox and view report. In this report, system will display 5 customers. System will display customers with negative balances. If you want to exclude both negative and zero balances customers, you can check both checkboxes and view report. In this report, you can see system will display customer statement only for 3 customers. Negative balance and zero balance customers will not display in this report. We can generate customer statement report by excluding customer has a particular balance. You can check this less than checkbox and enter amount and view report. In this report, we will generate customers excluding less than 10,000 balance. In our list of customers, we have 5 customers, and from that 5 customers, 3 customers are less than 10,000. We will generate customer statement report. In this statement, system will display only 2 customer statements. From our 5 customers, we have only 2 customers above 10,000 balance. Therefore, system will display only 2 customer statements. When you're checking this less than checkbox, zero and negative checkboxes will inactivated. You can uncheck, then again 0 and negative will activate. If you check less than checkbox, 0 and negative checkboxes will inactivated. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel and these formats. You can print this report or email this report. By clicking this invoice number, you can view the original document.